Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm back, you guys, with another Bath & Body Works haul. This haul is going to be purchases from the 5.95 Brightest Bloom promotion that we had a couple weeks ago, and then also the 4.95 Fine Fragrance Mist sale. I am a little delayed sharing this haul. I had to wait for my actual Fine Fragrance Mist package to arrive, so I figured I would just share all items, part of both promotions, with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the latest order that I received, which is my Fine Fragrance Mist for the 4.95 sale, which is in this box right here. So I did pick up just a couple of Fine Fragrance Mists, as you can see here, and I'm just going to reposition my camera a little bit to give you guys a better visual. And first mist up is the beautiful fragrance Beautiful Day. I love this new spring packaging for Beautiful Day, as it has like a see-through window on this packaging. I really adore that. It has the Bath & Body Works text there, and I love the cursive display of Beautiful Day. It's so cute, you guys. So what triggered me to pick up Beautiful Day in the Fine Fragrance Mist was the pocket bag. The pocket bag I absolutely adore. It's one of my top favorites. It's so hard for me to put down the pocket bag, and I'm constantly searching for a Beautiful Day in that scent. Every time I wear that pocket bag on my hands, someone always compliments or asks, what is that beautiful smell? It smells very floral and pretty, and it does smell very beautiful, you guys. So the fragrance notes for Beautiful Day are sun-kissed apple, sparkling cassis, wild daisies, pink peony, and fresh woods. This one is such a beautiful fragrance. I'm hoping that the Fine Fragrance Mist smells exact to the pocket bag, because I'm obsessed with the pocket bag. Anytime I come across that one, I'm picking up additional ones. I just don't never want to be without this one. And I know that this one is seasonal, but it's such a lovely fragrance and it brings in tons of compliments. So I did decide to go ahead and pick up the Fine Fragrance Mist. I'm going to give this a sniff because I want to see if it smells just as good as the pocket bag. Ooh, and it smells exactly like the pocket bag. This fragrance is so beautiful, so well done in my opinion. For spring, I would say this is my favorite floral fragrance. They just continue to do this one so well, and it's such a classic scent. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the cream and the shower gel for Beautiful Day. I do have a prior version of the body lotion from SAS, but I'm not a fan of that one. It just doesn't have a very strong scent to it. I wish it had the scent power of the pocket bag or this Fine Fragrance Mist, but that lotion that I picked up during SAS just doesn't hit it for me, so I may just give that one away. But I would love to have the beautiful body cream and the shower gel in this year's version to match this Fine Fragrance Mist. It's absolutely beautiful. I am going to turn this around for you guys, and I love the see-through window. This is beautiful. It's such a soft, clean floral, and that's what I love about this one. It's very crisp. It smells like you're running through a field of fresh, crisp, bright flowers. I don't get any notes too offensive or too sharp for Beautiful Day, and it's definitely not like baby powder fresh. I really don't care for fragrances that smell like that, although my daughter does. But this one is just crisp and clean, and it puts me in mind along the lines of Brightest Bloom, which is their newest spring fragrance that they're promoting. So I love Beautiful Day, and I decided to pick up one. And then the other that I picked up is Tutti Frutti Candy, and I adore this Easter spring-like packaging. The color scheme is so pretty. I love the corals. The fragrance notes are sweet jelly beans, mixed berries, sugared lemon, and it says spring into the season of sweet surprises and fruity treats. So I have a small travel size in the Tutti Frutti Candy, and I wore this out I want to say about a week ago. Me and my husband went out to eat, and I was signing my credit card purchase receipt before leaving the place. And the waitress asked what was I wearing, and I definitely was wearing Tutti Frutti candy, and she said it smelled so good. It smelled like candy and it was sweet. So yeah, Tutti Frutti candy also brings in compliments as well. I'm super happy that I decided to go ahead and pick these up during the sale because I agree, it's bright. I get that lemon, which is pretty prominent in this fragrance. I wish it was more heavier on the jelly beans, but I think it's a good blend. This one is such a good combination of all those notes, and I love the berries too. I'm gonna give this one a sniff as well because I just recently wore this about a week ago. It's so lovely. It's sweet. Okay, I do get the sweet jelly beans, but really I get more of that sugared lemon. And I'm glad that it's not too strong on the berry note, but the lemon is so refreshing. It's bright, it's uplifting, and that jelly bean note is sugary and sweet. I think this one is beautiful for spring going into summer. So I did pick up backups of Tutti Frutti candy. I did not pick up last year's version, so I wanted to make sure that I was stocked for this year. So here's a second Tutti Frutti candy. Here's a third Tutti Frutti candy. And here is a fourth Tutti Frutti candy. I love how they do the color juice to match the design of the product, which is pretty cool. So just to bring this a little closer, you have a gold bunny on the front and a few gold accents of flowers on there, which I think is super cute and dainty. So I love little details like that. So yeah, that's all of the fine fragrance mists that I picked up during the $4.95 sale. So I'm gonna move on to the items that I picked up during the $5.95 Brightest Bloom sale. First item that I picked up is the Brightest Bloom in the body wash. And this is the Pro Vitamin B5 Aloe formula, which I do like. So fragrance notes for Brightest Bloom are Lily of the Valley, Jasmine Sandbach, Garden Carnations, and Fresh Cedarwood. So I've heard many comparisons to this fragrance to other fragrances on the market. I've heard Chanel Chance, which I can see that a lot. I personally think this reminds me of Pleasures from Estee Lauder. I've heard so many comparisons for Brightest Bloom, but it's such a beautiful spring bloom fragrance. Very floral, very bright and uplifting. I love the quints in this fragrance. So for $5.95 was an awesome deal to stock up if you enjoy this fragrance. So yeah, I picked up a shower gel. And then I also stocked up on their creamy body scrubs. So for this particular fragrance, Bath & Body Works did a creamy body scrub, and I'm so happy they did that because I'm really not a fan of the exfoliating body scrubs. I feel like the creamy body scrubs work so much better. I do feel like it's much more abrasive if you're looking to get a real good exfoliation, but you can find this to be a bit rough for some skin types, but I love this, you guys. So this is what it looks like on the back. And these scrubs retail for $19.95. So anytime they have like a $5.95 promotion and include scrubs, I always stock up. Usually I stock up on the scrubs first, followed by the body butters. So yeah, I picked up quite a few of the scrubs. That's one. Here's another Brightest Bloom scrub. Here's another Brightest Bloom scrub. Here's another Brightest Bloom. And here is another body scrub. Here is another body scrub. And here is another body scrub. Here is another body scrub. And I think this is the last one. Here's another body scrub. I picked up 8 of the body scrubs. And then this is another body wash that I also picked up. I also picked up a couple body butters too. in the scent Brightest Bloom, and that's what that looks like. And this has an amazing fragrance. I love how light and airy their whipped body butters are. I'm gonna open this one up, and this is what that looks like, and it's super fragrant. I can smell it from here. Oh my gosh, it is super fragrant. It's floral and a little bit fruity, but I just love how bright this fragrance is. So I picked up the body butter. This one retails for $20.95. So anytime there's a really good sale, $5.95, $6.95, I'm gonna pick up creamy body scrubs or the body butters. So that's one body butter. And then here is a second body butter. And then for rewards, I picked up the bourbon, strawberry, and vanilla. I really changed my mind about this fragrance. The fine fragrance mist disappointed me. There's like no lasting power for the fine fragrance mist. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna exchange this bourbon, strawberry, and vanilla body wash. Because I'm really just not a fan of the scent. I thought I liked it, but I really changed my mind about that. So this one will be going back, although the packaging is gorgeous. This one retails for $16.95, so it is reward eligible, but this one will be an exchange for me. And lastly, I have one more Brightest Bloom Creamy Body Scrub. So I'm going to reposition my camera so I can give you guys a final visual of everything that I picked up during the $4.95 Fine Fragrance Mist and the Brightest Bloom $5.95 sale. Okay, you guys, so I repositioned my camera, and what you see are 4 Fine Fragrance Mists in the scent Tutti Frutti Candy, followed by Brightest Bloom Creamy Body Scrubs. I also have Brightest Bloom 2 body washes and that bourbon strawberry vanilla body wash that will be going back. And the rest are the creamy body scrubs that I picked up, as well as the Brightest Bloom in the body butter. Yay, I love those. And here are the remaining of the creamy body scrubs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, leave me some comments down below. Be sure to subscribe. You're welcome here, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.